We have come to consolidate on the achievements of the 2015 elections. We wouldn't be distracted by allegations. We will do what we have always done to the best of our ability, bearing in mind that we have a responsibility to the Nigerian nation. We'll go to Rivers, conduct free, fair, credible elections, declare winners, and then we leave the rest to the next level, which is the judiciary. However, there is nothing new that we are going to do in Rivers beyond what we have always done. Votes must count, because ultimately it's the people of Rivers that will determine who will become their senators, members of the House of Representatives, and members of the State Assembly. We want to pledge to Nigerians that we will never shirk in that responsibility. We will continue to discharge our responsibilities according to the law and the constitution of this country. Whatever INEC is supposed to do as a commission, we have done. And we have been assured and reassured by those who are supposed to help us secure the environment for us to deploy personnel and material for the election. So far we have been assured, and so far we are satisfied with the security arrangement.